Hi there, and welcome to Tammy TalkTV, where we share ways to build a healthy, happy life. Today, it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays, I share one tip a week related to a common theme. Today, we are going to kick off our Be and Breathe series, and we are going to talk over the course of the next few weeks about how to be and breathe, how to use our breath in order to improve clarity and focus, increase our energy, and reduce our stress and anxiety. So the first thing that we're going to talk about today is simply how to take a good deep breath. But first, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as part of the Everyday Vacay e-seminar series, just be aware that these bonus videos are part of our public YouTube channel, so comments that you make here will be public, unlike the classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, so let's get back to our breathwork series. And the first thing we want to talk about today is simply how to take a deep breath. Because a deep breath actually is more difficult than it seems. People say when you're anxious, you just need to stop and take a deep breath. And you go, ugh, I can't breathe, and that makes it even worse. So let's talk today about the art of taking a deep breath. But first, let's deal with our posture. So in order to take a nice deep breath, we have to sit up straight. So our hips, our shoulders, and the crown of our head need to feel like they're being pulled towards the sky, like there's an invisible string pulling us all up in alignment. Now, when I say the crown of your head, I actually mean this part at the top, not so much back here in the back, but the top of your head. So like if you were a baby, it would be your soft spot. So you want to feel that alignment between your hips, your shoulders, and the top of your head, right there being pulled skyward. Now, to take a nice deep breath, the first thing we have to do is truly exhale. Because the truth is, most of us breathe very shallowly from the top of our chest, and we're not entirely exhaling. The truth is, we're holding on to our breath so tightly that we can't let go of one to get another. So the first thing we want to do is exhale long and deep to a count of 8. Then we're going to hold that out breath to a count of 4. Then we're going to take a nice deep inhale. So let's do that together, okay? You feel that? If you do that 2 or 3 times and you start feeling a little tingling in your fingers and toes, that's because oxygen is reaching into places that it hasn't been in a very long time. So practice that 2 or 3 times throughout the day, especially in the mid-morning and the mid-afternoon, when you're making that transition from home to work or from work to home, or whatever your transitions might be. When you're in transition, just take a couple of those conscious deep breaths. But remember, a deep breath starts with a deep exhale. So do that 3 times and you will feel completely different. Okay, now what we're going to do today is take a short meditation. And what I'm going to do first is count you down. So it's not necessarily a guided meditation. I'm not going to talk you all the way through it. I'm going to count you down from 7 down to 1. So when you get to 1, you're going to be in a nice, soft, peaceful place. And then I'm going to leave you there for about 10 minutes. I'm going to call you back and I'm going to count you back up from 1 to 7. And when you get to 7, you're going to reemerge into a bright and beautiful reality. So if you're ready, let's get started. Find a comfortable position, whether you're seated or laying down in Shavasana. Close your eyes and prepare to be peaceful for the next few minutes. Like I said, I'm going to count you down. I'm going to leave you in peace. And I'm going to count you back up the other side into a bright and beautiful reality. So let's get started. Every breath, I'm going to call out a number. You're going to go a little deeper and a little deeper. We're going to start with 7. 7. You are descending a softly lit spiral staircase. 6. You are safe and secure. You notice a soft golden light shining from below. 5. You descend towards that golden glow, slowly, peacefully, as your face and neck relax. The space between your eyes and your jaw let go of all tension. 4. Your day drifts away as you descend ever so slowly, closer and closer toward that soft golden glow. Your shoulders and chest and abdomen relax. 3. You feel a sense of peace and tranquility as your hips, legs, and feet release all tension. 2. Your mind relaxes, letting go of all thought, basking in that soft golden light. 1. You have reached your peaceful place. Settle here with your hands open in receiving posture and just be in peace for the next few minutes. When our time is up, I'll come back and count you back up that same staircase into this bright and beautiful reality. let's start to come back. Back up our staircase. 1. You are starting to feel sensation in your fingers and toes as oxygen finds its way into all those little nooks and crannies. 2. You are safe and secure in that warm, golden light. 3. You are peaceful, productive, and prepared to face whatever may come. 4. You are strong and capable, knowing you can return to this place of peace at any time. 5. You are getting better every day in every way. Better and better and better. 6. You are getting better every day in every way. Better and better and better. 7. You are getting better every day in every way. Better and better and better. Let's slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, feeling relaxed and refreshed and knowing that you can return to that beautiful, peaceful place at any time. So thank you for letting me share a little bit of how to be and breathe, and hopefully to bring a little peace and prosperity to your day. So tune in next week and we'll have another breathing technique and another meditation. Okay, so until then, here's wishing you health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get a reminder when there's a new video.